shit.
Yeah.
You don't care about nobody else.
Yeah.
You great job for it.
Right line.
Motherfuckers can't fuck with me.
What happened?
Turning tricks in that motherfucking car. That nigga trying to stay out the way. He trying to stay out the way.
I'm gonna see.
When I stand and do this, he waits off. Motherfucker like you can't never break me.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he's subscribed too.
Look out. Coming out gapping these niggas around this bitch for that cash, nigga. I'm down now the better. If I don't gap this nigga, small block, nigga.
Yello.
You don't pay me a motherfucking thing. How much, Batman? I'm a cheerleader. And I'm gonna put up 300 to your 100. I'm gonna knock this bitch to the ground. What I gonna do, Quinn?
Picked it up.
What I do, Quinn?
You picked it up.
Don't say a motherfucker.
Got that bad ass. You know he got
Don't
that.
say Quinn. Be quiet, nigga. Don't tell this motherfucking nigga shit when I come out, nigga. I'm a cheerleader. Small block, nigga.
Yello.
You on that Instagram shit, shine that shit, nigga. Camera get on me, hey. Shame on you when I come out. You'll see. Boom! Make him set their ass down.
Fucking gal.
A gap.
A gap.
Gap that weak bitch. Weaken motherfucker out of here. Come on. Boom. Pop them in the ass. He don't want none of Quentin. Quentin to buck him up. Weaken motherfucker out of here, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he's subscribed too.
You on my YouTube channel?
Huh?
You on my YouTube channel?
No.
I got 2 people on here talking about they know you. Yeah.
They know
Yeah,
me?
Tommy Cook know you.
Yep.
Yeah. You know old Tommy Cook? Yeah, he told me he went to school with you.
Yep.
Yeah, I went to school with him.
Yep. Am I on your YouTube now?
Yeah, you on there. Yeah.
Man, I'm famous, man.
You know Keith Aldrich, he talking about y'all went to different schools together when you transferred.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I transferred.
Yeah. He was there when you transferred. He said he transferred too.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tommy Cook went up there. DG said he know you. Man, how you know so many people on my channel, man? Golly.
Hey, I made a dance YouTube on his video.
Yeah.
So
And
yeah,
then,
I'm on.
you know Rob G Film, he said he know you too. Damn. What's your name again?
Brian Mitchell.
Brian Mitchell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey man, everybody on here talking about they know you. I got about it's 17 people on here talking about they know you. I got one time he was in your 2nd grade PE class.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I ain't lying.
I'm all over.
Yeah.
I'm all
He
over.
was in your 2nd grade PE class.
Yeah.
You remember Coach Odom?
Yeah.
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 Coach Odom. Yeah, Coach Odom. You know him too?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I work there. I'm contract routine, but I do a lot of stuff for the military. I work for Dale Rogers.
God damn.
I'm in the 3001 building.
Oh, so you for real, for real?
For real, I do a lot of stuff in the military.
Golly.
Yep.
Man, there's 81 people on here talking about they know you, man.
Okay, no, you too.
Man. Hey, man. Boost Lee say he know you too. He on here.
Yeah, everybody knows me.
Yeah, they said that's Brian Mitchell.
Mitchell?
Yeah, it's Brian Mitchell. Brian Mitchell.
It's really Brian Anthony Mitchell, but I go by Mitchell.
Yeah.
I'm named after the famous, you know who Brian? You know,
Yeah.
you know who Brian Piccolo is?
Yeah.
I'm named after him.
Yeah. Yeah, that's him. Mitchell. Yeah, that's him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey, man, I ain't know they about 28 people on here, man. God.
I'm famous, man. With the Ford Mustang with the 2 turbo.
Oh, yeah, I know him too.
Yep.
I ain't gonna tell nobody. Hey, y'all leave him alone, man. Y'all gonna blow his cover.
I made a video about my brother's that white, not the white, but the green Mustang.
Which one?
Cody Hoffman.
Oh, yeah, that's you.
That's me.
Oh, what?
That's me on his. That's me on his video.
Okay, I ain't know that.
Yeah.
Hey, they talking about they used to. Hey, man, they used to call him Mighty Mitchell.
I'm on his.
They say you learn something every day.
But I can't play it. But I made a big long speech about the ICT truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't bring it this year because we're getting a new.
They talking about the black ICT, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that truck.
We're getting a new roll cage, and then my brother was gonna make it to the final tonight, but his turbo broke.
Okay, so he finna bring it back out
We don't know. We can't get it. They can't get it fixed.
after the roll cage or what? I'm talking about the.
Oh, the truck. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's gonna be probably a while.
Dang, man, I like that truck, man.
Yeah, and then that car he's been racing.
Yeah.
He just got it out. He got it shopped up in the city, and it was painted. It was painted the same color it is painted now, but it was painted white.
Yeah.
But he painted it back to green, and it's got the same. It's got the same motor as the ICT.
The same setup with the turbo too? Who tuned the same tuner? Or he got 2 different tuners? Who be tuning on it? Quentin? I don't know him. Quentin, where he from?
He's from Oklahoma City.
Okay, Oklahoma City. He a bad mother.
You know who Jason Rank is?
Jason Rank?
Yeah. He's out here tonight, but his car broke too. He's from Kansas. You know who Ryan Mitchell is?
Ryan Mitchell? I seen that name.
He's got the black Firebird.
What is like a 98 model? Like a 2000 model?
He's been driving that car since he was 16 years old.
With the big hood on it?
Yep.
Yeah, I know him.
It says Racing Able.
Yeah. I've seen that. Did it have what is it on nitrous or it got turbo? That Trans Am.
I think they all got turbo.
Turbo, yeah. He know everybody, y'all. He all at the Earth